Today we're going to work on just one project, and that is cleaning my chicken coop. About once a month I do general maintenance to take care of the chickens, and Sean and I actually were gone for an extended period of time having an adventure, and so we're 6 weeks behind. Good morning, Harvesting Heritage. Welcome back to my garden. I'm Channing and I'm thrilled to be here with you again. So today we're going to work on just one project, and that is cleaning my chicken coop. You can hear the chickens in the background. They are so ready for me to get in. Let me show you exactly what it is that we want to get accomplished today. So here you go. You can see this is my chicken coop, which is just a dog run actually. Oh, someone just laid an egg. So now we're inside of my coop and run, and today what we need to do is we're going to just lightly brush up the extra food and twigs that are in the coop, even it out a little bit. We're actually standing on sand. It's playground sand that works really well for keeping the coop clean. We'll touch up their food, clean up their water, and add some apple cider vinegar. Helps their gut and also keeps the water from molding. Now on the coop, before Sean and I left, they broke the little bird holder or bird spikes that I'd put on top. For whatever reason, a few of my chicks like to roost on top instead of going in at night. And I try not to have that happen. Of course, it's not safe, particularly when we're not home. They've made a huge mess, so I'm going to clean that up, and I'm actually going to move the spikes down here because I think they're jumping up here and then over. So I'm going to replace everything down a little lower, see if that will help. Also, this door has come unhinged, so we're going to fix that. We'll collect the eggs, and then in addition, we're going to clean out the entire inside of the coop. So it's rather messy, but you know what? It's a quick job, and normally it's once a month that I need to do it. There's the inside. So I'm just going to set you up and have you watch what I do on a monthly basis to keep these girls healthy and happy. Let me show you some of the tools I have out. I am out of the normal pine chips that I use, but I had this bag left over, which I use for when I'm raising chicks. So that'll work fine for today. I've got my scooper, which this is actually for horses, but it works great in our coop. My apple cider vinegar, I'm going to collect some eggs, the additional spikes and screws that we'll need, and then it is now fly season, so I'm going to set up a fly trap near their coop to try to keep that down. Last, you will see I'm going to be wearing an N95 mask and gloves because there's significant poop. I don't want to be breathing that in at all. So let's get going. Well, there you have it. Thank you for coming along with me as I do my monthly clean out of the chicken coop. I'm going to run to the farm store now and make sure I get some pine chips for next time, so I have those on hand. I'm going to refill their food buckets, and I'm also going to get First Saturday lime, which I typically like to sprinkle on the sand for them. I'm out of that also, so I'll get that in stock for me and sprinkle them another day. And I hope that you enjoyed this, just a sneak peek of one chore that happens around our little miniature city homestead. Until next time, I hope you have a joy-filled day.